come to Jamaica, the island of real bad man. Some real dog attitude, some real gang bang. No run for the fair, they not care. Step up! These are the moments when every man a travel out there. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what. These are the moments when every man a travel out there. We not instigate violence, but we believe in the self-defense no matter what.
Welcome to True Island Stories. Remember, I promised to drop this video the reason why South Florida despises the Sikhs and the Mobile man them will come up and go on with them antics. The people them sick and tired of them. Fort Lauderdale, me never say it never rough, and Florida, But ever since the man them influx the place or a certain individual, the whole place turn upside down. Now stay tuned to find out the reasons behind this. Okay, in this video, I'm going to intro it with another clip of a video I did 2 years ago. And you guys are going to say, and a lie me a tell. Now, the ladder ill man them accept Sikhs and the squash man them accept the Sikhs and squash. Well, that was before they found out their nefarious intentions and their disdain for rule of law. And now the man them a 40 that a Fort Lauderdale end up pass a law say nothing from 6 can portal a 40 or a dirt and sight. Don't ask me, ask the warrior them down a 40 if you think I lie me a tell. I go see them coming at the comment section, come talk if I lie me a tell. Yeah man, dirt and sight, brawling, escobeaches and brawling. And weed walk back down them head back scully anyway then catch them. Yo, the only man we get a pass, as I earlier iterated in the 3 earlier episodes, is Joe, OC Fish Fry. Yep, and now Joe drop left 2 picnic in her belly. 2 baby mother a breed same time. Now, my thoughts and condolences goes out to them because I'm sure the child in their stomach are innocent. So I hope them can learn from them baby daddy mistake and grow up them child far, far away from this lifestyle. Alright, let me clear the air. These are not my words now, or thoughts to inflict or provoke a conflict. No, these are words from members of the Guru Menke apps that are deeply embedded in their organization. So the warrior say, all the little youth them, where the man them could have get talk one time in a them organization that are 40 man them and even Miami man them that are before the influx and the inundation of the Mobile man them and the 6 man them. Them could have, talk to them, guide them on the right path. Albeit they are all lookitis, mean them go look it and you know them do forget them butter. But 9 times out of 10, some of them and them have 9 to 5 because them understand the importance of paying tax, which I'm going to mention for some of you youngsters who come here and just say, I get rich quick and buy trailer load of machine and send back on the ground. No, so it work, bro. You have to understand foreign and know, say, you can get good from it or it can get bad, but it's up to you. What will you choose? Yeah, so the man them, them could have teach them, turn them in a certified food or as teach them how to eat and not clap them out. Fly under the radar, of the South Florida law enforcement. And how did they achieve this, you may ask? Well, that's why I'm here now, ain't it? To give you the lab, Rish. It simply means by following rule number 114 of the South Florida Nyam Food Bible. Nyam Food Bible. Rule 1, no bloodshed while you are hustling. No knockings, especially unnecessary knockings. Everything have a report to the goat or the goats that are the top man them. Failure to adhere to such rule by the youngsters. That mean a young guy good left walk the plank upon the boat with shark a swim around in the water below. With a bad getting hungry belly shark a ball out. Yo, parry! Oh, no, see man a take too long for shark walkie plank, brother. See a be a tippy tour, the pilgrim a pity tour, brother. And a John out man Sunday bickle. Yo, I want give me a soldier climb up, me jump out of the boat and rockly plank. Why for that? Why for that? Shout out another shark. No man nah rockle, no man plank round the salt water onto some man. So no more like that and see if me not make teeth, I must grab you in your neck and cry down a deep. Because John did you. Oh yeah, tell man boy, yo, rock man plank. Yo, make the man walk and drop off by him own merit, brother. Yeah, brother, be a thing on the depend in a dog after I say man hungry in a dog. In a water, you know, from morning up na got me mouth in a dog. From me get one of the hand them off a little youth where a mama should be off a boat over insurance money dog. And by the time if you go in, go eat my little food off a little juvenile dog. You all of the shot them a shot down the little juvenile back dog. And by the time I reach dog, it's a one hand me get dog for jog out dog. I tell her dog, I tell her dog. Yeah, me full up my little jaw teeth corner, brother. Yeah, my brother. Me have to take it and go hide back and heal in a dog. God know dog. Cause one want test me dog. You see me I say but say the shark say go hide back and heal. Hey, the shark test say well look shark is. Alright, even he too top than them, you know, down there, you know. Say yo, the man them, meaning the little youth them, not take no talk. And the man them naked with the Miami man them, that are the 6 them. Yeah. All of a sudden, them venom get muscle up. And them feel back them I see that brawling, brother. And guess what? Me nah make none of them look a fool there, brother. Send me a workhouse, brother. Yeah, mad party. And them nah go jam me out to make me catch nobody's show them, you know. So no know I better I'm a cut, brother. Yeah, man, and I saw 2 man them left me nah call them name because you don't know. You see me, them and them change them looks and them mathematics, brother. And lock out and lock off. Everybody, no man can get to them. A real talk, me I telling them, I go in it like joke, because you know, little laugh better and cry, and some I think said. You see me? Yeah, sometimes you have to put little laughing, you know, little joy in the mood, because the mood sticky, you know, especially Joe's people and World Dog people, you know what I mean? And regardless, we don't say, and regardless, we don't wish that for World Dog, brother. And guess what, people? Don't too fry him, because guess what? Sometimes it takes certain existential, it takes certain you know, me can't call it already. Sure. It takes certain landmark occurrences to make a man see the error I'm with. So don't write off World Dog, man. Trust me, man, come back bigger, stronger, and better. And only hope, wiser. You understand? Because guess what? You don't need a bag of people around you for make money. You understand? You make money a long time before making money on internet was a thing. You're one of the forefathers them. So you don't need them, brother. You see me? You have your youth, you have your business, God give you a start, bro. Don't make through ego and money and the lust of power make you mash up your thing, general. Hear me, I want you again. Nah, I want you again, you know. When I say, hear me, I want you again. Me nah, I want you again. Good, sir. Good, sir. Alright. Yeah, man, to the top man, them man down a 40, man. Alright, the man them a landmark posting, I think. Me I talk about from Muslim time. You see me? Everybody I do them thing comfortable. Me no can do no them I do, you know. Don't get me wrong, but guess what? No man nah drop. You see me? And no loud nah shed. You understand me? And everybody can walk peacefully and go party. You see me? The man them down there for years. I eat low key with them kilo. You see me? All street light broke, dog. No light nah shine for no man and them activities, dog. Well, not until the arrival of their noisy neighbors. Alright. Keynote. We go man thing. Who in the chat used to live at South Florida? Yo, everybody who used to live there or still live there never experienced them level of outer hardness yet. Down there. And people, only some of them who know hear about in a man and Miami, Florida, you know. Some I grim them, you know. You see me? And guess what now? The man them always are linked together regardless of what, and I eat food together, party together, work this headset I get them together, and a one pass on donkey badness. Cool, no, man. A long time they are foreign, you know, people. Long time they are foreign. You know, have to do this if you live in Miami and live comfortable. One bag of gun and one bag of this and no, bro. Me never seen another Jamaican do this yet. You see me? Never. The last time, the man them never seen nothing like this, you know. Them level like eat ya, and the badness thermometer are from Delroy Uzi them days. Some only they even know only in Delroy Uzi. Only need for us check Google. Gentlemen, tell them I only in Delroy Uzi and tell them about Delroy Uzi and Delroy Uzi about that I did real badness. But guess what? I never fight against the Jamaican them. The Yankee them fight against most of the time. You see me? I know this with the mobile man them, brother. Boy, the man them thing off a Richter scale. I mean, I say everybody at Mobile bad because you have some good people. Yo, I talk to some decent woman from Mobile. Them there I go school. Big up yourself, you know me attack. You see me, I say, me not attack our job where she do because I don't want nobody, you know. But me I tell you, are them. Me talk to some pilgrim from Mobile, where they are Florida, where they all about the man them a work. Trust me. And I send back money, go home to them family. Look on how Ketters come here, and Ketters do the right thing. You see me? Yeah man, big up yourself, Ketters, anyway. The man do the right thing, and the man want to build me, and the man reason in depth. You see me? And the man want to build up him family yard, so, you know what I mean? Him family, them, even him own a brother, can get to live comfortable. Like them meds, they have to pray. In a foreign, you have to think productive, without doing nothing illegal. Yo, before squash them arrive, you know, the last big thing we go on down there, you know, I when them they lock up drop top Benz D and you know, from down at Mobile, you know. Yeah man, them only made over 500 Bob Marley. You never know that. Eh? Don't know if him still down there, you know, or if him do him time. I think him do him time already, and I don't know if him still there and get the power. I don't know in paper situation still. Yes sir, how I mean know about the hand? He's a driving white Benz with the braid. Diana make money from in the 90s, man. Diana rich and him at 19. Now ask me nothing, man. Me tell you somebody all about you feel like man thing, Lily. Can't stand it. Diana them in a bag of work. Money them man they make, dog. Money them man they make. You see me? Yeah, man. Low key, whole heap of money them grim they make. Them man they about them money and girl, brother, helping them friend. You see me? Gene Grey them. You see me? I say the two artists them. Who don't know me attack. You see me? The man they never hear them man they a call up with I think better than them man they 6 money and nothing to them the man the money me I tell her that the younger time me ever say a house of money in a man take a be me say that, you know. Man take a be me say 1 house of, you ever see a house of money yet? 1 house of money, me say 1 house, 1 room, 4 corner in there. Money stack up near to the friggin' ceiling. You hear me I tell you? Me take me 2 years see that, brother. Alright. So when I can't stay there, think me I just come. But them set your brother will come. Be a conflict, brother. Yo, when I can't mash up foreign, you know. Whenever you hear about Gettysburg yet. Eh? The roar of Gettysburg. Where 50,000 man drop in a one day. Trust me. America used to it hanging, so phone like a chokings can't do it nothing. Easier them tying up and pitting out. And guess what? You see, never succumb is a threat to all, including everybody around them and also themselves. You see me? Alright. I could run through so that's it. Even the promoter them down there. Don't want to see them at them party. Real talk. I not talk about Squashman, you know. Because Squashman, him no party. I soon do a video and tell you know, where him a go on with that, how him a roll. But trust me, party, him no do that something there, so. I not go tell a lie upon him. You understand me? Yeah, him no party none tall unless I die house. You see me? But the selector them, now the promoter them fret when the man see them, brother. Look what go on the other night. Eh? All God forbid it go on outside, but still, man drop and who involved? And a Yankee, an American, and a Mexican, a Jamaican, bro. And I give the rest of people them bad name. You understand me? Alright. Yo, the man them prefer them party flap more than the man them forward. Cause be a work go on in a man. Anyway the man them portal alone darkness and guess what? All the man them own the club them rather them not come cause guess what? Once a knockings go on they say another club they stay in a brother. Nobody no want to go back they say no. So you have to take out food out a man mouth. You know go until foreign turn down pound. You see me? And the man them turn vigilante and start on to no one when they think a joke of foreign this, you know. A Florida that, you know, any man, you know, when you have an ID, you know, down south, you know, you can just go in a store, you know, go buy a rifle, you know, or go buy a strap, you know. You see me? Me lie down on my bed right there, so. And there's a AR-15 right on my bed there, so. And a 17 shoot over there, so. And a shotgun in the nether room. So, and I like say, if a man run up, you know, he now get back, answer back. Everybody in here certified. Finaki. Plus me little warrior them. So you know a badness come down, but guess what? We not choose the life there. We choose to be productive and pay tax in America. Cause we know say if you push out negative energy only will come back at you, bro. No cap, bro. Most of the party them get kicked up. Most of the party them get kicked up. How? You know, the man himself and the man them come another place, the whole place done upside it down. Case and pine. It can't go no more than Muscle and Fort Lord Knockings, you know. When last in that kingdom come, you see any Jamaican involved in a nothing near the capacity there. The last time I went time I bake it for the pilgrim. I said I had to bake it. I had to bake it on him. I bake her. You understand? Till Movada, you know, sorry for you, man. Why I'm going to talk saying, see Movada do something. Sometimes sorry for some people, you say, Jesus, peace me. I tell them, go to talk your business sometime. Well, you have to keep him down. And that we tell you, yeah, man, the man, them fed up rasta. All right. When last we see no music video or any farmer videos in foreign with no Jamaican, with no shipload of all kind of artillery, I pose up with like them a farm a new Black Panther movement before, during or after. New York, Philly, Jersey, anywhere, Washington, Connecticut, LA, nowhere, bro. And the man just give Jamaica a bad name, dog. Yo, me say, when this Sotto drop a hammer and some man nail it, they say, don't complain. Cause guess what? When you look smart if you blame, just go some oops and took off your glasses and turn up and looking at the mirror and ask yourself, why the hell am I doing this? And to what end? Listen to me. That which is easiest obtained is hardest retained. There's no shortcut to success, bro. Only one way to potent success is using the stairs. Because the elevator we brought down with you, you're stuck in that. You see I'm a one world dog. When you see channel line, when you watch part 3 of the video, you see channel line me in a tell. Alright. Remember one time a youth from Clarendon they show up in me and attack this and that. And I say, yo, by the week done, man. And by the week done. Alright. Good sir. Alright. Remember Bones and Fred, man, you know, got kicked up his selector house, you know, over foolishness, you know. Remember good no man? Alright, check out the video. Hit up on my channel. Yeah, when Fredman and Bones step to his selector brawling over fire bacon from the youth house. The video up there. You see me? I put a link in the description. Just type in Bones on this channel and you can see how he's a huge part of the problem as well. Why y'all looking at me side eye when I said that? Well, he ain't part of the solution. So what that make him? Okay then. If them not switch up them thing, don't ball when the Sotto go Rico here. Cause remember, him not like not near immigrant. And somehow they even get in the paper straight yet. But I'm not telling you nothing. Then say, Haate pick me DD big. Okay. Before me sign off, I'm going to leave with a tangible piece of literature. Whoever you see here, make them here. Cause them say, when the student is ready, the teacher will appear. And this way, you can't pay me for. Whenever you feel in need for valve in any farmer workers, just remember back when you used to there Jamaica naked and hungry and not have no hope. No hope. And just I beg God to God open up a portal that you can get a chance to touch in a foreign, any foreign. And remember the stigma with foreign, you know. Foreign and no bed of roses. Where you put in a foreign, listen me, at that you get back. Start pay tax in the system from now, youths. Cause it you gonna need when you can't work, or if you can't work. I remember accident happen all the time. You think when you get old, alone you can't work. So you meet in an accident and cripple up and can't work. Oh, you go suffer in a foreign. People get tired of people. Where's a careless kind you get? And you can't support yourself. All you want a family with tired of you and go put you in a nursing home. Make them do my in that. Remember, you know, it's a percentage off of the tax where you pay to the system, you get back, you know. If not there, you know. Yeah, them call it social security disability. If you never know. And the next thing, we qualify you have to be a citizen. Green card no mean nothing. You can't get no support from government if you're not a citizen. Pull you up on an app and collect a skeleton in your spine and keep it. What are going to become of you? Youths, listen me please. I'm not going to waste my time and telling about no workers. Trust me, I love all Jamaicans. And I love when young youths prosper in foreign. Remember me tell you no, don't make family member or friends where they are years before no, come tell you no, John, you know some nah lie dog, you come a foreign when time foreign mash up. Or you should have there about 5 years ago, at them time the foreign be nice. You come a foreign with nothing nah go on brother, or you mash up foreign. Eh? Don't make their failures, don't make you make something of yourself. Don't make their failures dictate if you are going to make it or fail in foreign. Because remember, every tub of you sit down on them own bottom, and no 2 days are the same. Now because you broke today, that means you're going to broke tomorrow. In foreign, it them a $1 lotto ticket and can change your life. What me say? Don't get caught up in a work race and get deep. I see you get deep, and you stand up and talk to your man them, try not turn your back. When a group of stand up and you go join them and come from across the road, try not turn your back and walk off. As you walk off, all him a real yes man in Sotto. The man get a chance in a foreign dog, big foreign dog, go foreign big. The man can't go anyone out of 92 state them brother. And the man can hitch up with man and man dog and get suck off over foolishness and come back down your dog. And I look and I walk and beg like riches. Yo, yeah, my brother. Oh, yes, man, that man. The amount of stylings where you get. I remember, you know, you left down, I did nothing, you know. And if you get deep in, I guess where you go back home to. When neatly wrap up and put down there, wait by you for forward back, You feel nobody tough here with your brokeness or your nutness where you left down there. You down there wrap up in his head, dirty bungle. Turn her back. Stink again! Next video is the exposure of the real world dog shooter. What good say that you check out the other videos on the channel, and don't forget to check out the Fresh Air Rhythm, House of Stars production, real one drop, out on all platform now. Alright, check out that, and do check out Sotto album, Welcome to Jamaica. Just type in Welcome to Jamaica, real culture song, dancehall, nothing slack and roll, just nice. Alright, walk good, stay that trouble. On the road to 100k. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and do leave a like or a comment in the section if you like this video. If I like me, I tell what that video, put in the comment section. Miami, Fort Lauderdale, stand up. Walk good, stay that trouble. But if you choose to go on night, then there's a chance you might in the bench island. So is what? Well, are you chooser?
I am Joy.
Pepper. You know the real G-thing, huh? How we grow up, sometime the road tough side slow. Real patriots never buckle, never fall. How they get to run, that's why. Back from the boy, who not do that. Boy, who no can't kill with joy, who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yeah, and a man bust a shot him off a pack up and boat. Pointed pon him head back and boat. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, no assumption, I saw the ground rough. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, bred from limited options. 10 generation, I see the said someone wanted man will live long. Name one. Things forever bury with no done. Name one. One good honest politician. Name one. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with joy. Who no boy. Who from your soul don't know what wrong boy. Yo, a man better boy. And a man bust a shot him off a back up and boy. Pointed on him head back and boy. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that, you a man better. Things risky, for the misfit. Death rate fit the logistic. Chris, I want the biscuit. Bait of crackers with the whiskey. You're not listening. Crime live here, so it's not visiting. Visitors, careful, you know what the business is. Murder, plunder, pillaging. Oh, bloodshed in all the villages. You name it, yo, we live in it. Death reach a do special delivery. Nightmare, tormented images. Vengeance, bloody cycle continuing. But know you seek that, but it's no revenge. Looking at the mirror, there is no different. Man, we full of, hey, and we know we friends. Back from the boy, who no do that. Boy, who no can't tell with joy. Who no boy, who from your soul don't know what wrong. Boy, yup, now a man better. Any man bust no shot him off a back up and boy. Point it on him head back and blow. Pop off him strap on him friend him for door. None of that yo a man better. No assumption, I saw the ground run. Power, married to corruption. Criminal, red from limited options. 10 generation, passing the said song. One wanted man will live long. Name one, brings a fella with the name one. One honest politician, name one who. And get a youth resilient. Back from the boy, we not do that. Can't kill with your on the back. Move from your soul, don't know where wrong go. Yo, a man better go. Any man bust a shot him off a pack up and go. Point it on him head back and go. Pop off him strap on him friend him do. But none of that other that. Yo, you know the thing going on, set a seat up a beat, you know. Hey man, take it to man. Go man. Man to them pepper.